Hi there, welcome to today's video. Today's video, we're going to be continuing the Mustang fastback build. Let's get cracking. Right, we have got half 4, so 0.8 centimetre. And then we need 11. We've got to have some curve in it, so just over 11. So go with this piece. Right, let's get that cut out. Let's get that welded on there. Okay, roll that in underneath. Too long. So that's a bit too long. Cut that down. Now get him welded in. So we need at least, could go 13 in length and then 4 in width. This piece here, 13. There. 4. Okay. Let's get that cut out. Got this sort of curve that comes on here, which you need to just curve in, sort of like that. But maybe not. Yeah, no, it's not quite as much as that. Maybe there. That one's probably okay. Gonna bead roller that. That should be about right, but now I need to flatten this bit out and flatten that piece out because I put the wrong die in. So back to straighten it out after sorting out the camera storage. Don't look too bad. And now, as you can see, because I've done that there higher than there, it's gone like that. And that's why I always allow a little bit extra. So hopefully now, look, I can now cut that off once I've put in that curve as well. Just going to draw that curve in. Get that ground in. So there we have it. Not looking too bad. Now to cut the sides in the right length. Right, so that's all cleaned up. Now we need to get this cut in. Now then, where's my pen gone? No, I've lost that one as always. Right, okay. There. To there. Okay, let's see, get that in. So that's the lid of the trunk done. Now we just need to move on to the rest of the rear end. But I'm going to leave that for another video. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. Many thanks.